Hey everybody, it's me, Megan, and this video is going to be about how I actually groom my eyebrows. I've been grooming my eyebrows since I was 14, and the method that I choose to use is tweezing because I feel more comfortable using tweezers because I can control what hairs I want to leave and what shape I want. And tweezing doesn't bother me. Like I said, since I've been doing it so long, it doesn't really hurt anymore. I guess I built up my pain tolerance with the tweezers. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my Sedona Lace brow tool. This is a brow brush and spoolie at the end here, and this came with the Vortex collection brush set. So this is what I use. So I'm going to brush the brow hairs up. I like to brush mine up so I can see my kind of like my shape that I have going. So that's that. So when it comes to tweezing, in my opinion, this is just what I think, and this is what I do. I take the natural arch. I don't create a different arch or anything. I look at where my hairs naturally go, and you can see I have some sparse hairs right there, so I will kind of like take those off, and then I will probably take some of those off, but I follow my natural arch, so you can kind of see where I'm gonna go with that. Now, so what I'm gonna do so you guys can better see the actual shape that I'm going for, my natural shape, I'm gonna use a kind of like a white pencil to guide a line. So if you're new to doing your own eyebrows, you can guide yourself with a white line with a white eye pencil, so you can see where you want to arch and you won't mess it up. So I'm going to start right here and then go like this. Ignore that sound, it's the neighbors again. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to stop there and take this down like that. See there? And that is where I'm going to take off all the hair. Very easy. I'll do the other side for you, because sometimes your eyebrows are one maybe thicker than the other, like how mine is, and trying to get them even or somewhat even is a little tricky, but I really, it doesn't matter to me. So I'm gonna do this side. And take it down. It is all kind of noises going on today. So now that you have your white guideline, and the reason why you use a white pencil or something lighter, so you can see the hairs through the pencil, and so you'll know where to take the hairs from. So I'm going to be using my favorite tweezers, and these are by Trim tweezers. I don't remember where I got them from because I had them I had these since I was 15 or 14. I know a while ago I found them at Walgreens in 2007, so you can try there. Their brand is called Trim. So I'm going to start taking the hair from where I guided myself. So I'm going to take all the hairs out from underneath the white line. So you continue to do that until all the hair is gone. Since we took off all the hair, we took the hair off that was guided from the white and down. So now we're going to remove that white line. I like to use my, what are these, Tame wipes. And they're little small circular ones, eye wipes, makeup remover wipes. And so we're just going to wipe away. You can already start to see how we have a clean line now. So you can see the line is a little cleaner. And then from there you can see what else you may want to remove. I'm going to take off just a little bit right here, just so it can have a more easy kind of line right here. So I'm just going to go right in there and take all of this off. So now I cleaned up all the little extra hairs that I wanted to go. So you can see my shape that I kind of have going. One of my eyebrows has always been thicker than the other, and I've never tried to make them that even because I like just the shape that I have. So this eyebrow has always been a little bit thinner and sparse, and that's what filling in your eyebrows is for. I have a few tutorials for that too, but we're going to continue grooming. So now what we're going to do is trim the actual eyebrow hairs. If I'm looking over there because my mirror is over there, but I have some scissors. I like to use the ones with the protective barrier so you won't cut yourself. So I found these at my local beauty supply store only for $1. So I really like those. So I'm going to take my spoolie again and actually brush the hairs down. And the reason why I'm brushing the hairs down is so I can see what hair I want to cut off. So I cut it off in the direction of my arch. And you'll see how I do that. So that's brushed down. I have a hair brushed down. So I'm going to hold this like this, just so the hair won't move. And then I'm going to take my scissors and cut, trim, and trim. See? Now I have a nice clean hair. And I'm going to take the edge and cut that there too, and then brush back. And then take my brow hair that way and trim that hair like that. And I like doing this because my hair stay in place. I don't need like brow wax or anything. There, just like that. And just take off all the little hairs. So the very last step I like to do is use a razor just on the top half of my brows. And the kind that I'm going to be using is by Trim Safe. I bought these from Sally's. So this is what these look like. And we're going to start razoring off. So I'm going to brush the hair down again. Like that, so I can see my arch, the top half. So I'm going to go right here and lightly take off. Like that. And then on the edge, lightly take off any sparse hair. So these are my finished brows. I followed my natural arch. You don't want question mark eyebrows. You don't want rainbow arch eyebrows. You want to follow your natural shape of your arch that you already have. So I only do this every so often. Other than that, I'll just trim, I'll just tweeze off little random hairs that grow in, but overall I just try to keep the natural shape like this. For the purpose of this video, I've been letting my eyebrows grow out so you guys can see how I achieve the finished shape of my brows. So this is the results. If you do have any questions, feel free to comment about those below. and the products that I used in this video will be in the description as well. So I will talk to you guys later, and thanks for watching.